When I think about integrity, it's not just something we talk about, it's something we live, whether it's at home, at work, or in our community. For me, integrity starts with being honest, not just with others, but with yourself too. At Curia, honesty is a big part of what we do and it is a core value. When we are manufacturing life-saving products, there is no room for shortcuts or half measures. Every step we take has to be precise, transparent, and done the right way because patients are counting on us. That same honesty carries over into my personal life too, whether it's being upfront with my family, admitting when I'm wrong, or making sure my kids understand the value of truth. And then there is a responsibility, something I take seriously both at work and at home. At Curia, responsibility means owning our task, meeting deadlines, and holding ourselves accountable. If something goes wrong, we don't pass the blame, we fix it. Because at the end of the day, what we make directly impacts someone's life. I carry that same mindset with my family. I have promised to be there for my kids' big moments. I make sure I show up, no excuses. Because responsibility is not just about tasks, it's about being reliable for the people who count on you. Every month, my family and I visit a local blind school. Spending time with those kids has taught me so much about resilience, gratitude, and the power of simply being present. We sit with them, read stories, play games, just spend time connecting. And you know what? That experience reminds me a lot of Curia values. Integrity is just about doing the right things at work. It's about how we live every day. At Curia, we are not just manufacturing treatments. We are giving people hope, improving lives, and making a real impact. And that's what drives me. Knowing what we do here can change someone's world. Because at Curia, we are committed to deliver life-saving solutions. From curiosity to cure.
From curiosity to cure, we are Curia, a dedicated ally.